Welcome to JH. Today, I'll guide you through getting Spotify Premium at no cost. First, visit the App Store or Play Store to confirm your Spotify app is running the latest version. This step is crucial for a seamless login experience later on. Next, launch your mobile browser and head to the official Spotify website. You can find it quickly by searching for Spotify Premium Free on Google. Once on the site, tap View Plans to see the available options. Look for the plan offering the longest trial period for $0 and select it. Sign in using your current Spotify credentials or register for a new account if you haven't made one yet. You will need to enter your payment details, but don't worry, you won't be billed during the trial phase. After completing the sign-up, you'll gain full access to premium features like ad-free tracks and offline playback for the duration of the trial. To avoid any future charges, make sure to cancel the subscription in your account settings before the trial expires. If you decide to keep the service, you can manage everything easily through your profile.